Hey guys, please smash that like and subscribe button if you enjoy our content. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm and it's the easiest way for you guys to support us in making more great content. In the front we have a energy stealing plant. There's two variations of this plant. You can have a dual blade or a cactus. Either one works. Dual blade just means that you can hit them from whatever position, whether it's last or first. But if you're a cactus plant, you always have to try to aim to be last, otherwise you only hit their front plant for about 130 damage. In the middle you have a 61 speed full damage debuff bird. You're going to want to combo this with the Terminator, use the debuff, hit and then follow up with like a thorny. And then in the back you have a Terminator. Usually the Duskinators are going to be very high speed, but actually I found that even if you have a 37 speed Terminator in the back, you can still win a lot of fights. You just need to know how to play 1v1. So let's go ahead and take this for a spin. Alright, let's open up with Peace Treaty, Thorny, and Dual Blade. You always want to try to burn your energy if they try to use Serious, so they steal nothing and you can deal as much damage as possible. Okay, so now it's gonna be a 1v1. This is the majority of the scenarios you'll be in, and you never want to be in a position where you don't use snail shell because you need to be able to protect yourself. But I think this one's already in the bag. So we play the Peacemaker into the Thorny because we get the debuff and then the Thorny does extra damage. And this is really bad for him because what I can do is I can mess with his Aqua right now. I'm gonna play it like this, and I don't really need to do much because my plant serves like a tank. so that I can try to kill his Aqua next round. You don't want to play any cards on the bird. He's already stunned, he only has one card, so it doesn't make sense. This one should be pretty easy to finish off. It's going to be 1v1 against the bird. The bird's already stunned, so you just put in another stun combo and he should be done. And this should be it. I think this is about just enough damage to kill him. If he goes in the last stand like this, just don't risk it. You're gonna just play a snail shell, stun combo it just to make sure. But you definitely cannot lose these.